Ke India kalapha da Jingthoh asha ke United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization Unesco ban Ithuh no ek Jingkieng jri ki bidon Meghalaya kum kita ki World Heritage Site ni jaka bakhamlong kerpang ha kaperthai. Yakani ke jingterwa ke India kalapha lingbau nongkit ktin sim jong ke India sha UNESCO o Vishal V Sharma sha ulazar Elondo Asomo ubadai u director ke UNESCO World Heritage Center ringkat ke jingkerpat ban penrung no menta ke genti ha ke Thup jong snem arjar arpunriu arjar arpunyo.
It is my privilege and honor to share with you the wonderful news that the Jingkieng, the Living Root Bridges of Meghalaya, are being nominated by India for the 2026-27 cycle for possible inscription as a World Heritage Site in the 49th Committee meeting in 2027. As India's ambassador and permanent representative to UNESCO, I thank Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, Honorable Culture Minister, Shri Gajendra Singh Shekhawat, officers of the Archaeological Survey of India, of the Ministry of External Affairs, Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Conrad Sangma, Principal Secretary, Shri Frederic Kar Kongor, officers of the Government of Meghalaya, experts and the local communities guarding this incredible cultural heritage of humanity for this historic nomination. I extend my warm greetings to the people of Meghalaya, and I assure you that we will leave no stone unturned in all our efforts to obtain this well-deserved recognition to the Jingkieng of Meghalaya. I'll speak a line in the Khasi language. Naka liang jong ga kum u ambassador na India Shakha UNESCO ga e kublai kripang eki nong shong ka jala Meghalaya bad naka liang jong gi. Gin priang baro ki lat ki linti ban piono ka katay ka Jingthoh ba kripang naka binta ki Jingkieng Living Root Bridges Kiba Donha ka Jala Meghalaya. Kublai Mithila. Thank you and Bharat Mata ki Jai. Thank you.
Thank you, Ambassador. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.